Hello, I'm in a 2017 MINI Cooper Clubman, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your display language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle is turned on and your display is on. And then from here, we'll go to our system settings, and then your language. And then here, we can do English, Spanish, or French. So let's say we want Spanish. We'll select that. And then it just auto updates everything. So I speak English, so I'll do all this again to switch it back to English. So from here, let's adjust this sistema, the idioma, and then idioma back to English. That's it. It all should be updated. Nothing else you need to click or save or anything like that. And the same process for French, just the same buttons. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.